Hello and welcome to another video by Elios Design Studio. This is going to be a relatively short video. It's basically going to show you how to sign up to Siteground and how to manage your site through the Siteground dashboard by adding SSL certificates, adding WordPress. But the first thing you need to do is to click on the link in the description to Siteground, which will take you to this page. And then what you need to do is to go onto web hosting. So now you'll see a list of the different packages that you can have. We need to obviously ensure that you select the right package depending on what your needs are. So if you do intend on having only one website, then you may want to get the $5.99 a month. You will need to pay this upfront for the year, but it will equal to $5.99. Obviously, if you want higher packages, at the moment they're doing unlimited websites. This does vary. Sometimes it's only up to 5 and then it will be up to 10, but at the moment it is unlimited websites. So it totally depends on how much you're willing to invest in a website. Now at the moment this would be the best option because you can have unlimited websites. It's only $8.99 per month. You get free SSL, you get daily backups, free emails, you can install WordPress onto each domain. So this one would make sense, but if you intend on having lots and lots of different websites, you will need extra space for that, so it probably will be worth getting the Go Geek plan. But for the demonstration purpose, I'm going to be going through the Grow Big plan, which is the best value for money. So choose your plan and then hit Get Plan. If you need to register a new domain, this is where you do it. You just simply type it in, see if it's available, choose your domain ending. I'm just going to try Elios1234. If you already have a domain, say if you purchased the domain from GoDaddy, then you can enter this here and you wouldn't have to pay this $14.95 because you've already made that purchase through a different provider. But for the demonstration, I'll type in Elios1234 and see if it's available. Press proceed, and this is available. So all you need to do here is put in all of your details, your email, etc., password, create an account, your address, and then your payment details. Now down here at the bottom, this is where you choose the period in which you want the hosting for. Now this deal is for the 12 months, so you'll be billed £107.88. Obviously that's excluding VAT, so £147.40 in total. You could change this and only do it on for a month, and then that will kind of refresh every month, but it's a very expensive way of doing it. That's $24.99 per month. It's much better value for money if you choose the 12-month deal and you're only paying $8.99 per month. You can add extra services. You can have Siteground Site Scanner, which will check your site, see if it's been hacked or injected with malicious code. But once done, confirm you've read Siteground's terms of service and privacy policy and whether you'd like to receive news. Obviously I'm not going to make this purchase because this is just a demonstration, but once you purchased, you'll go on to the following page. Okay, once you've signed up, you'll go through probably to the home page, but you just need to navigate your way to websites and then just go to new website. If you've purchased a domain through Siteground, you'll be able to attach it on the existing domain. You can purchase a new domain here, or you can just launch your site on a temporary domain, and then later down the line, once the site is created, you'll be able to attach a domain to the site. So if you're not ready to purchase a domain yet, you can just simply build it on a temporary domain. This is what we're going to do for the demonstration purpose. So select temporary domain, then continue. We're just going to go on to skip and create empty site. You can add Siteground Site Scanner if you wish. I'm not going to for the demonstration, and then just click finish. And then it will take under 2 minutes to complete the website creation. Once done, you'll be directed to this page and simply go on to manage site. So the first thing we're going to do, so on the left hand side we're going to go over and click on security, and we're going to add an SSL certificate to our domain. So go to security, press SSL manager, choose the domain that you wish to add your SSL. I'm going to add a Let's Encrypt, and then just press get. And this will take a minute or two to attach to the website. Once that's installed, we're going to head over to WordPress on the left hand side and then go on install and manage. We're going to choose WordPress here, then choose your domain. If you've got a number of domains, you'll have a drop down box. So we're going to get rid of install with WordPress starter, and you're just going to choose your username and password and then type in your email address. Once you've typed in your email, just press install. Okay, now WordPress is installed onto your domain. Now to get onto your WordPress dashboard from here, all you need to do is go to the bottom right where it says log in to admin panel. So it'll open up a new tab and it will log you in to your WordPress dashboard. And now this will take you on to WordPress and you'll be able to start building your site. Thank you for watching this video. It's been quite a short one, but it's just a basic tutorial on how to sign up to Siteground and how to actually manage it on the back end. If you've liked this video, please give it a thumb up. If you haven't liked it, give it a thumb down and let me know why. Please subscribe to this channel because there's going to be some really good content being produced over the next couple of weeks showing you how to build websites for free. And hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. See you soon.